Jotelo kod joked ne ratich oganda e gwenge ma Kisii kod Nyamira onyiso luoro margi e wi medruok timbe mag rocho ratich nyithindo manyiri, gino mosekelo medruok mar iye mohiu e gwengego. Gikwayo jodak ma alworano mondo oti kanyakla kodgi e kedo kod midhierono ma koro medo rocho ngima nyithindo manyiri.
Imeenda juu sana. Nadhani majuma mawili yajapita tumekuwa Senate mashinani pale Busia. Na ni hali ya kutamausha ukiangalia wasichana wa miaka chini ya 18 wana mimba, msichana wa miaka kama 11 anajifungua. Hayo ni mambo ya kuhuzunisha katika jamii.
And the kangaroo court is actually a big thing, especially here in Marani. How do we stop it? The kangaroo chairpersons, you'll find that those people are well known, maybe they're leaders in community and they're taking advantage of the position they hold to try bury some of those things that we need to bring to book.
Tukiangalia katika mji wetu wa Kisii, that is Gusii, that is Kisii and Nyamira, unapata kwamba kuna watoto wachanga paka wa hadi miaka 10 ambao hujifungua, na kuna wale wenye mimi kama Isnas nimewaweka ama nimewaplace under safe custody, wanalindwa na watoto wao.